Find the area enclosed by the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, and the ordinate x is equal to 0 and x is equal to ae, where b square is equal to a square in the bracket 1 minus c square and eccentricity e, that is less than 1. Naturally, when e is less than 1, it forms an ellipse. Okay. Now, the given equation is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1, and y square is equal to b square upon a square minus x square, and this implies y is equal to b upon a square root of a square minus x square. Now, required area in this diagram, it is what? Double of the red part, means we have to find this one and this one also. Okay. So, required area is BOB dash with C, S and D. This is the required area, BOB dash, C, S and D. Now, required area is equal to twice of area of BOSD, twice of area of BOS and D. Is it clear? Now, twice of integration of 0 to AE B upon A square minus x square into dx. Okay, or we can write it here. Okay, one and the same thing. Now, this becomes now formula. Integration of a square minus x square dx is equal to x square root of a square minus x square upon 2 plus a square upon 2 sine inverse x upon a plus c. So, now we are going to use this formula to solve this one. So, we are having required area is equal to 2 into b upon a x upon 2 a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse x upon a 0 to a e. Now, this becomes two b upon 2a. I have taken these two common, 2b upon 2a ae and square root of a square minus a square e square plus a square sine inverse ae upon a minus 0. Now, this becomes b upon a square e square root of 1 minus e square. What I have done? I have taken a square common and then a taken out. So, a square e 1 minus e square plus a square sine inverse e. B a square upon a 1 minus e square plus sine inverse e. BA 1 minus e square answer. Okay, this is the answer.